Hello there everyone, this is G-Mech again. Just thought I'd pass this on. It happened to me today. Went to stop to get fuel and finished up fueling and started the truck up, and my check gauge's light come on, and sure enough my oil pressure gauge wasn't working very well, and right here's the culprit why. It leaking oil and concerned me quite a bit at the time. And I had oil leaking down through the back of the block. So if we walk over here really quick, I have a block. One of these engines, and there's the old sending unit sitting on this block on the engine stand, and started to leak, ran down, and it leaked down on the exhaust and all, and it just happened. So you know, 6.5 owners out there, you might want to keep an eye on your sending unit. So I figured I would show how I replaced that. So there I have the new one all the way down in there, sitting in place. Kind of hard to show everything. It's that right there. So you need a 1-inch deep well socket with a flex ratchet. I used a 3/8 with a 1/2-inch adapter, and it worked kind of nice, kind of tight in here. You got all the wiring harness. I had to remove the glow plug controller. I had to loosen the wire bracket here for that holds the wiring harness, which also holds the stock fuel filter mount. And then I had to remove my auxiliary fuel filter mount, and then my France bypass oil filter. But all in all, it wasn't too bad. I'm actually letting this cool down a little bit because it's still warm from driving it today. So I'll fire up, keep the camera going here, and I'll show you putting everything back together as best I can. So here's that socket, 12-point socket. We'll get that down on there. Now we'll get our ratchet. Okay, we got our ratchet back on there. Now we're going to tighten the new sending unit up. Okay, we got our sending unit all tightened up down there, and we also made sure the adapter where it screws into is tightened up. Now we're going to put the metal plate, hold their wiring and everything back together. Actually, we're gonna plug our sending unit back in first. We can reach that harness there and plug it back in. Okay, we got our bolts in for our fuel filler housing. We're going to tighten them up. Okay, we got our glow plug controller back installed. Tighten up the bolts on the stock fuel filler heater. Got our bypass oil filter re-hooked up here. I even changed the filter while I was here. And what we're going to do, the camera will pick it up way down in there, right there. We're going to fire the truck up and make sure we don't have any leaks. We'll check our bypass oil filter, and then we'll check the oil level. So let's get this thing fired up. we want to look down at the sending unit to make sure we don't have any leaks. It's very hard to look there. And what we'll do is wipe off the bottom and double check the leaks there as well. Okay, we got this all finished up here. We topped the oil off. Took about an extra quart of oil so it didn't leak too much, and then with the France bypass oil filter change, I will double check it after it sits all night. We checked our oil level. We got that all squared away. Everything's buttoned up and tightened up. Now we'll check for leaks. We'll take it for a drive and then make sure it's okay, and I'll just keep my eye on it. But anyone to, my advice to anyone out there, you might want to keep a sending unit in the truck with you on hand, because I probably easily could have changed this. I keep tools in the truck with me all the time. So I probably could have changed this in the field if I would have had to. But I wasn't too far away, so I just decided to drive it home. But so that's about it for this video. Do have more videos to come, so I thank you for watching. This is GMAC. Please like, subscribe, and keep on wrenching.